to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by and opening this video. Today we're going to learn more about how to buy pig token and how to create liquidity, that is pig BUSD. So these are the steps. The first step is to copy this link and then go direct to your wallet. Make sure your wallet has DApps. So the second process, we'll go on buy or create liquidity, and then we'll buy the pig token, and then the last process we'll do, we'll create a liquidity, that is pig BUSD. So let's get started. So I'll copy this link, I'll copy it here, and then I will go back on my Trust wallet. Now remember, on your Trust wallet must have BNB Smart Chain as fee and the other token, any token that's BEP20, maybe it is USDT BEP20 or BAUSD BEP20. In my case, I have Smart Chain and also have BUSD. That means I'm going to use BUSD to buy the pig token and creating a liquidity. So I've already copied the link. As I've said, the first process is to copy this link. I've already copied it, and then I'll go back on my Trust wallet. Here down I have different menu. I have wallet, discover, DApps and settings. Now click on DApps and then paste the link. I will paste this link on the description of this video so that we'll be able to access it in a very simple way. So I will paste this one, and then I will click here, and then I'll click here done. So now I'm searching this link. So once the link opens, it's animal.farm.app. Make sure animal.farm.apps, all the token use BNB. It's a BNB Smart Chain. So that means you have to change this one Ethereum into Smart Chain. Okay, so once the link opens, remember animal.farm.app use. I have to change this one from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Why? Because animal.farm.app token uses BEP20 network. So I have to change it into Smart Chain. And then on my right hand side, I have a menu here. Now go on buy or add liquidity. So click on buy or add liquidity, and then it will take you direct to PancakeSwap. Make sure you add the pig token once you finish adding it, and then click on what we call trade. So if I click trade, I have AFP, so I have to add a pig token here. So adding it direct, so I click here, I understand, and then I'll click import. So now I have AFP, that's pig token. Remember, I said I will be using BUSD. That means pig token must be down and this one cake must be up. So I'll click here at the center here. And another thing, make sure your wallet is connected on this PancakeSwap. So then I'll change this one into BUSD, since the token, the BEP20 token that I have is BUSD. So I'll click here BUSD. So my aim is to spend 400 to buy pig token. So I'll click here, I'll get 3.38869 pigs. So I'll click here swap. Another thing, make sure your slippage, I will put a small slippage here, 1%, and then I will click here swap. So once I confirm, I have to confirm swap. So then I will confirm some of my BNB will be taken as fee. So I'll confirm here. So this is the fee, 0.26, and then I will approve. So once I click approving, that means I've already bought AFP. You see here the balance is 0, but after a few minutes you see here the balance of AFP, that's pig token, will be shown there. So I have here again, so 3.38869. so this is the balance of my AFP, and the balance remaining on my BUSD is 4.43. so simply this is how to buy pig token. Now how do you create a liquidity on liquidity, that is pig BUSD? Creating liquidity is very easy. Here upward menu on PancakeSwap, I have swap, limit, liquidity and perpetual. So I'll click here liquidity. So once you click liquidity, it will tell you your liquidity, and then you can add liquidity. My aim is to add liquidity, so I'll click here add liquidity. When you click add liquidity, a window will pop up. This window will give you a place where you can choose any token that you wish to create a liquidity. So here I'll click select currency. I will choose pig, that's AFP. That's our first token, this one AFP. Remember, I'm creating pig BUSD, so AFP will be up, and then here down I'll use BUSD. Remember, when you're creating pig, when you're creating liquidity, those two tokens must have the same quantity in terms of dollar. For example, I used 400 to buy FP. That means I must have 400 of BUSD. So the amount must be the same. So if I click here maximum, you'll see that 3.3869 is equivalent to 399.01 BUSD. So my liquidity will be created based on AFP. So we click here maximum, and then the amount of AFP will show you that the same amount of AFP will be, the same amount of BUSD, that is 399.099. So then I will scroll here down, I will enable AFP. Here I will enable AFP. I will approve. Some of the smart chains fee will be taken out, and then I will wait for approving, enabling AFP. So once AFP is done, and then I will click here supply. Supply means I'm creating my liquidity. That means my liquidity will be 36.6451. So I'll confirm here. So once you confirm, and some of the smart chain will be taken as fee, and then I will approve here, then done. So simply here, done transaction. So if I go back here, you'll be able to see here my liquidity. So my liquidity, that is AFP BUSD, is 35.94. So simply this is how to buy pig token and how to create liquidity of pig BUSD. Check next video. I'm going to show you how do you earn from liquidity, from this liquidity. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video so that others may learn from this video. Thank you very much.